Ultimate Guide to Ranking Your YouTube Videos Without Subscribers, Expanded Edition. Introduction. Understanding YouTube's algorithm in 2024. YouTube's algorithm prioritizes watch time, engagement, and relevance over subscriber count. This means even new channels can rank videos by optimizing strategically. Below is your step-by-step blueprint to outrank competitors organically. Section 1. Advanced Keyword Research, the foundation. 1.1. Must-use keyword tools. Google Trends identifies rising search queries by country and language. Answer the Public reveals real user questions about your topic. vidIQ or TubeBuddy analyzes competitors' keywords and rankings. KeywordTool.io generates high-potential long-tail keywords. 1.2. Competitor Analysis Secrets. Study top-ranking videos in your niche. View to subscriber ratio. A video with 100K views but only 1K subs signals low competition. Audience retention, above 50% is strong. Engagement rate. Likes, comments, shares boost rankings. 1.3. Keyword targeting strategies. Prioritize high-intent keywords like how to fix iPhone camera at home, reviews, Samsung S23 versus iPhone 14, full comparison, mistakes, 5 deadly car maintenance mistakes you are making. Section 2. Video SEO optimization, on-page and off-page. 2.1. Click-worthy titles, boost CTR. Proven title formulas. Secrets or hacks. 10 Photoshop hacks 95% of designers don't know. Lists. 7 mistakes that are destroying your car. Warning or urgency. This Windows 11 bug slows your PC. Fix now. Avoid vague titles like cool video or fake clickbait. 2.3. Thumbnail psychology. Maximize clicks. Free design tools Canva and Adobe Spark. Thumbnail rules. Use exaggerated facial expressions, triggers emotional response. Add red arrows or circles to highlight key elements. High contrast colors. Yellow text on blue background. 2.4. Description optimization, hidden ranking factor. Structure. First 2 lines, keyword-rich summary plus important links, social media, website. Middle, detailed paragraphs with 300+ words with secondary keywords. End, hashtags, YouTube treats them as extra tags. 2.5. Tag strategy, often overlooked. Primary tag, exact target keyword. Secondary tags, synonyms, common misspellings. Competitor tags, names of top channels in your niche, helps with suggested videos. Section 3. Watch time hacks, YouTube's #1 ranking factor. 3.1. Video structure for maximum retention. Winning template. 0 to 0.10 seconds. Hook with shocking fact or question. 0.10 to 1 minute. Deliver core value or solution. 1 minute to end. Details plus strong CTA. Subscribe, comment, watch next. 3.3. Psychological tricks to keep viewers watching. The yogurt effect. Tease incomplete info, but there's a secret, stay tuned. Listicles. 5 reasons, 3 ways, encourages completion. 3.3. End screens and cards, retain traffic. Link to related videos, increases session time, add subscribe cards at peak engagement moments. Section 4. Smart external promotion, beyond YouTube. 4.1. Cross-platform marketing. TikTok or Reels. Post teasers with full video on YouTube. Reddit or Quora. Answer questions linking to your video. Facebook groups. Share in niche communities. 4.2. Collaborations, zero-cost growth. Collab videos, partner with small creators. Shoutouts, exchange promotions. Forum and community targeting. Example, programming videos, share in r/learn programming. Section 5. Analytics and scaling, data-driven growth. 5.1. Mastering YouTube analytics. Key metrics. CTR, below 5%, improve thumbnails or titles. Retention drop, if viewers limit at 2.00, pace needs adjustment. 5.2. Repurposing winning content. Create video series from top-performing topics, turn videos into blog posts, double SEO benefits. Final summary, 6-step execution plan. Pick a low-competition keyword using research tools, craft a viral-style title and thumbnail, optimize description and tags with keywords, structure video for max watch time, promote externally TikTok, Reddit, etc., analyze and repeat successful patterns.